Welcome to the present moment, and thank you for your attention. I wanted to share with you a phenomenon that I experience with many of my students, particularly new students. People, individuals like you and me, who have decided to make a great change. They've decided, okay, I'm going to invest in my transformation. I'm going to learn about my mental atmosphere. I'm going to align and shine. I'm going to do the fasting. I'm going to drink the water. I'm going to stand in the sunshine. I'm going to get my dialogue in my interiority right. I'm going to get my self-worth on. I'm going to do all of these things. I'm going to invest in a coach. And I'm going to get into this new way of being. And just quite often, this is what happens, right? Quite often, just as the individual gets into this rhythm and into this flow, and they start to feel like, yeah, I'm starting to get this. And there's a train of thought, and there's like a new muscle that's being disturbed into action. That just as they start to commit, then boom, shift happens. And you might have seen the poster I posted on this thread last week or just a few days ago. It's called Shift Happens. The shift hits the fan. And then the student often comes back to me and says, well, hang on a second, but I thought I was about to have, angels align and birds sing and all of my dreams to come true. Like, how come now that I'm in this flow that basically I'm having a freaking meltdown? My structures are breaking down. I lost my job. My partner just left me. And what the fuck? Like, I was trying to make things better and now it's suddenly worse. And this is what I say to them. You asked for transformation. That's actually what your great prayer was about, was transformation. Now let's talk about what transformation really is, because you didn't ask for a little bit of change. You see, change, my friends, is like rearranging the furniture. It's like, there's a crack on the wall or something and you paint over it. Changing is like, it's just like a rearrangement of the things as you know it. But transformation? That's another thing altogether. Transformation is when you tear the structures down, all of it. You wipe the slate clean and you begin again and you build with a new vision in mind. That's transformation. The caterpillar goes through transformation, and it's the greatest metaphor of all time for the concept of transformation. And you know what? When I was in school and I heard this, I was so blown away. I was like, what? Say that again? Because my teacher was saying that there's this caterpillar. The caterpillar starts to go through this process and it builds a chrysalis, and its nature is just basically doing this thing, and it builds this little room, and then it closes itself in. And then the DNA of the caterpillar starts to break down. And essentially, my friends, the freaking caterpillar, it doesn't just grow wings. This isn't an animal that just grows an extension. No. It goes through a transformation. The transformation is that it becomes a freaking liquid. What? This thing has a meltdown, literally, and it becomes like a quantum soup. And then the DNA all rearranges and the butterfly DNA emerges, and then the wings start to form, and the whole caterpillar is reestablished into the next stage of its expression. And then it emerges from the chrysalis and we see a beautiful butterfly. Now you tell me that's not a violent process. I hope that as you're fasting and as you're purging and as you're having the freaking meltdown, which is the result of you taking your vow to now and committing to your transformation, that you take this holy moment to just acknowledge that if you ask for a great transformation, that it does make sense for the universe to wipe the slate of your current paradigm and actually give you an opportunity to begin again. I'm Dawes. Thanks for listening. For more information about my curriculum, Nowism, the game, message me. I dare you. Enjoy your day.